Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by creating the variable that will hold the custom number, and you do it now so the rest links cleanly. Declare var custom number equals 0 in your inc file, and choose int for counts or float for decimal values when needed. Once declared, make sure to expose that variable to your host engine. Either export story JSON or bind via the Runtime API. This connects the inc runtime to your game logic and lets you change the number from scripts or UI elements. Now you integrate the custom number into story flow so it affects gameplay. You can increment with var custom number equals custom number plus 1 or set it from an expression the moment an event fires. Use it in conditionals like custom number 5 to gate choices or display it inline with custom number. Once done, make sure to persist that change. Save the inc state or push the updated value to the host so the number remains consistent across scenes and play sessions. Finish by syncing your inc story with the game and performing focus tests so nothing breaks at runtime. You should run scenarios that change the custom number across knots, then reload saves to confirm persistence. If something goes wrong, check that the JSON keys and binding names match exactly between inc and the host, and validate there are no parse errors. Finally, test edge cases like negative values or high precision decimals, and re-import a clean state if desynchronization persists.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.